Does your lawn look a little something like this right now? This is actually all crabgrass, these little guys right here. And unfortunately, this lawn was not treated for crabgrass, but there is a way to prevent this from happening. Welcome back to Lawn Lessons with Jordan here, where today we're beating up crabgrass. We're gonna show you what you can do for it, how to control it, and how to get rid of it. Let's dive in here. What is crabgrass? Crabgrass is actually a grassy annual weed. It germinates in the spring when soil temps hit between 55 and 60 degrees. Usually we don't see it until about midsummer, and that's when it's actually spreading, growing very fast like this. Another problem with this guy right here is it produces thousands of seed heads per plant, and it grows low, fast, and it chokes out all of your good grass here, creating thin and bare spots. As you can see here, it's already creating a lot of these thin bare spots, and unfortunately with no grass being here, only more crabgrass will continue to fill in and just choke this grass right out until there's nothing. How do you get rid of crabgrass in something like this where it's infested throughout the whole lawn? Well, lucky for you, I have a solution. So typically when crabgrass is at this stage, we're gonna be applying a post-emergent control product that controls this crabgrass. It's not gonna hurt your good grass, it's only gonna target those crabgrass leaves in general. We're also gonna be applying an MSO, a methylated seed oil, with that control product that really makes that product dive deep into that root system and really take that crabgrass out completely. Let's say we're gonna spray all this out and we wanna make sure we fill all this in. We wanna aerate and overseed or power seed a lot of these thin areas. That way we're gonna be thickening up this turf, stopping this crabgrass from even taking place next spring. The true way to really get rid of this though is to prevent it in the first place. You prevent it by doing a crabgrass pre-emergent before those soil temps hit 55 to 60 degrees in the springtime to prevent the crabgrass seeds from even germinating so this does not happen. Let's say you're all natural or you don't wanna spray anything. The true #1 best defense against crabgrass is a nice, thick, healthy lawn that's fed and watered annually, because nothing is ever going to be able to penetrate that grass layer, and so there's not going to be any weak spots for the crabgrass to come in and take hold. A little bonus though is, let's say you do have crabgrass, you don't want to spray anything, you want to get rid of it naturally, you can actually wait until the first frost of the year. Crabgrass hates the frost, and once we get that first hard freeze, all the crabgrass will start to die off for you. With you having a nice, thick, healthy lawn to prevent crabgrass, it also goes into mow height, so you want to be mowing at a minimum of 3 inches in the summertime. You want to be watering it, that deep and infrequent watering pattern. So let's say every other day for about 30 to 45 minutes a zone. And additionally, you want to make sure that lawn is fed, that's getting nutrition, proper fertilizer, nitrogen, things like that to really strengthen it and keep it nice and thick. Walking through this lawn here, this is a lawn that did not get a crabgrass pre-emergent this spring. We can clearly see that it's everywhere. It's taking hold, it's spreading. We want to be applying early spring to control this product. This lawn did not get that application. Okay, so walking through this lawn here, this lawn did receive a crabgrass pre-emergent. You can tell clearly we don't see any crabgrass coming up in this lawn. It's nice and thick because it's been getting supplemental nutrition, and we've been mowing it at the correct height and watering infrequently and deep. So if you follow all these tips, your lawn could look like this in the future. Give us a like, share, ask us any questions you may have, subscribe for more information like this. Until next time.